What's something most Hyundai Elantra owners don't realize? A broken rear camera is often a quick fix. Here's how you can get it working again, fast. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your car is in park and the ignition is on. Shift into reverse. Does the camera screen stay black or show an error? If yes, don't panic. Next, look for dirt or water on the camera lens. Even a little grime can block the view. Wipe it clean with a soft cloth. Still not working? Let's check the fuse. Open your fuse box. It's usually under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Find the fuse labeled rear camera or backup. If it's blown, replace it with one of the same rating. If the fuse is fine, try restarting your car's display system. Turn off the car, wait a minute, then start it again. Sometimes this resets the camera. Finally, check the camera wiring in your trunk. Look for loose plugs or damaged wires. If you spot something, you might need a mechanic for repairs. But most rear camera problems are simple. Just dirt, a fuse, or a quick reset. With these steps, you can fix your Hyundai Elantra's rear view camera fast and get back on the road with confidence.